In this video, we will learn order by clause and explore the descending and ascending order of certain column value. So in order to illustrate more about the order clause, we are going to perform select star from laptop underscore table and then sort it by on the particular elements, like let's say ratings. So I'm going to execute this command and you can see the ratings are according to increasing to decreasing order, increasing order. So as of now we are having increasing order 33.5, 3.6, 4.1, 4.2 and so on. If you want to perform the decreasing order, then you just write DESC and hit execute button. So you can see now 4.5, 4.5, 4.4, 4.3 respective ratings are given here. Alright. So we can have the decrement value of this rating function, rating values. So the entire rows and entire data is sorted on the basis of rating. Suppose you want to perform on the basis of other parameters like active on Windows on website column on the basis of an website column. So you can see I am having 1 in a single row and then 0, right? So some write like ASC. So ASC is also for ascending order. So first your lower value will be displayed, then higher value will be displayed. So ASC is ascending order. If you will remove this ASC from this command order by, so it will also show the same result. But you must know the by default order by is having ascending order. But if you will add DESC here, give the descending order as per your case study. All right. Now I'm going to check one other clause, like where ratings is greater than and equal to 4.3, let's say. Then I'll hit click. So you can see all the ratings are 4.3 or higher, including 4.3, but they are also ordered by active on website format. Right? If you want to perform on the ratings also, you can see that rating and execute. So you can see all the ratings are having the ascending orders now. So 4.3, 4.3 and 4.4 and then 4.5. Accordingly, we will have the we will display the values. Okay. After the order clause, we can see how we can segregate the values. In order to segregate the value or the defined particular groups, we are having group by clause. So for that, we are having group by, let's say I'm having a rating system and having some of, and I want to perform the ratings of all the values and active on website. Right. So on the basis of active website, we know there are two groups, 0 and 1. So on the basis of these two groups, we are going to find sum of ratings from our laptop table. So I'm going to execute this. So you can see 8.8, which is having the respective rating of 0 value, and 86.8 the respective sum of, you can see I have implemented the aggregate functions here, sum of rating, and then perform 86.8 here also. So sum and the group by are going to perform simultaneously, and you are going to perform. Instead of sum, you can have average value also. I'm going to perform average value. You can see how values are changed because at this time they are divided by number of values. So can I use minimum value? Let's see. Yes, I can find out the minimum out of these two columns. You want to find out the minimum of active on website and maximum of maximum, you can do the same, right? So you can do as as minimum value. You can give the alias of the column name by using as and name of your alias column name. So hit column and minimum value 4.1, 4.3. Okay, so this is how we can perform the group by and order by. Okay, so can I find the let's say ratings? So can I find the group by upon ratings? Let's check. Yes, it is also there. You can find the group, you can create the different groups inside the ratings, right? Can I count how many count are there of each group? COUNT, we have already seen what is the count functionality. It is going to count the member element of each group. So it is going to hit run. So you can see, so count as minimum value, count as let's say count and comma ratings, right? And then execute. You can see 4.3 is having 14 count, 4.4 is having 6 count, and 4.5 is having 2 count. But make sure you have where clause also. So this query is also is only including the ratings that are having greater than 4.3, right? If I'm going to comment this section and hit run, you can see other ratings are also displayed on the screen. So 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4. So other values are also on the display, and they are also sorted. They are also means randomly, and they are also having count value of each number. How many 4.3 counts are there? 14 attributes are there. 14 number of rows are there having ratings as 4.3. Okay, so similarly you can use the multiple column and multiple values from your with the help of group by and where clause. Okay, now suppose I want to add order by. Can I do that? Order by ratings. Let's see. Yes, I can do that. Ratings are in the order, but their count values are not in the order because I have applied ratings in a order by along with the order by, not the count value, right? So for that we will see ahead how we can sort these values also. But as of now, you can sort the values of rating itself. You can also reciprocally you can also means sort in a descending order. So 4.1, 4.4, and finally 3.5 only one value, 3.72, 4.25, 4.3, 14, and so on. Okay, so these are the two clause, very important clause, group and clause. So means order and clause. Order is used to sort the elements, sort all the rows in a descending or ascending orders. Whereas group by is to segregate different columns on the basis of their groups. On the given condition, you can segregate these values. So you can, once you have segregate the columns, you can find out the count, you can find out the average value, you can find out the minimum value, you can find out the maximum value. Every means this aggregate function you can find out. So this is done, we can find over there. Thank you.